Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look here, an everyday look. Something very simple that I've literally been doing every time I go out. This is the look right here. Sometimes I change up the lashes, but it just depends. These are my favorite though. I love these lashes right here. And they're super affordable. Of course, you guys will see throughout the video what they are. I'm not going to tell you guys yet. But also this body shimmers everything. You guys will see what I applied, but you guys, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. I'm just gonna put on this hydrating balm from YSL. I got a package from them. I got like this really cute PR package from YSL Beauty, and YSL has the best lip products and just feels so good on my lips. Really needed that. I just take like a regular schmegular transition shade. I've been using this one for years from MAC. This is the What Clout single eyeshadow, and I'm sure they have these in like palettes, but this is like the perfect transition that I'm going to apply on my crease. I also did prep my lids with concealer. The concealer that I always use is the Kevyn Sensual concealer. It's honestly one of the best like full coverage concealers there is. I have it actually in the old packaging right here, but it literally lasts you all years. I feel like I'm like super messy when it comes to eyeshadows now. I don't really like care for eyeshadows anymore. I do, but I rather just have it very natural looking, and whatever suits my face too. I feel like I've mastered that already, that I just don't want to go back, or maybe I'm just lazy. I'm just gonna take any like kind of brownish eyeshadow and just apply this on the corner. Okay, so you see very simple eye makeup. Nothing crazy. Apply this shade here in this palette. You don't have to be super precise. I'm pretty messy with it when it comes to bone eyeshadows. So I am now going to do the eyeliner. This is actually a very important part that I love doing. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. This is the eyeliner in like truffle, and I just do a very thin eyeliner. See, it's not super complicated, just as long as it's brown. I get a bunch of messages. I get a bunch of messages that you guys miss my YouTube videos, but honestly, when I post YouTube videos, I don't get a lot of views anymore. So it's like, are you guys lying to me? Are you guys lying to me? Are you guys not seeing my videos? I'm gonna now prep my face, and I've been loving, actually I'm already out. It is the MAC Studio Radiance Illuminating Silky Primer, and I do 2 pumps, and I just apply this all over the face. Super moisturizing. It's kind of like a moisturizer and primer together. It's my favorite. Go get it. And I think they have it at Ulta too. They have MAC at Ulta, but I did see this at Ulta. And yeah, this is what I've been using to prime my face lately. Next up, I get the nudestix blot and blur primer, and I apply this on the T-zone areas. I feel like what's really been helping my makeup is the setting sprays that I've been using. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Stay Spray. I just kind of soak in this, like soak my whole face in this. I just highly recommend this setting spray right here from Too Faced. It's the Makeup Insurance 18-hour wear setting spray. I love this thing, but you have to shake it up really well, or else it'll like give you like those white blotting. Yeah. I'm just gonna spot conceal with this Makeup Forever HD skin palette. Conceal here where I have those blemishes, down here. Excuse me. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Natural Radiant. Doing two. Kind of get a spatula here. I don't think I'm using the correct spatula, but here goes. Just like spreading it like that. It also just is a great way to apply evenly, to apply your foundation evenly like that. You don't get a lot on. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, honestly. Who knows? So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it with a sponge, with this sponge here. But before that, I always spray some setting spray. Also, sorry if this video is like all over the place. I will get back into it, and yeah, I'm going to conceal now. This concealer has been my go-to, even when I spot conceal. This is the Too Faced concealer in Golden. Yeah, I haven't been hitting the gym, so definitely don't feel guilty if you do. If you don't, I feel like at the beginning I was extremely guilty when I missed the gym, like extremely. I just learned how to control that and not get like anxiety, because it did mess me up. I would feel so bad if I skipped the gym and I went out like on the weekends and I didn't go that weekend. But honestly, I'm now like just learning a little more and more about myself and my fitness goals and my fitness journey. So I definitely don't feel bad if you miss a few days, just get back. I've also been seeing a lot of content with the latte makeup, latte makeup, and honestly that reminds me of my cafecito glam. I don't know how I feel about that. Because I feel like I was the one. Yeah, I pretty much was the one that started that, okay? I don't care what you say. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm just gonna go through here, look over here, and excuse how messy it freaking looks. It's disgusting. I take care and I clean them so good, concealers. It's not even funny. I'm so careful when I put them back. Pretty much it with concealer, but I do take my Morphe setting spray and I just kind of spray it before I blend everything out together. Okay, so now I'm taking this sheglam contour situation. Now I'm taking my Mario blushes. Love these blushes. Now I'm going to set with my Givenchy powder. is an OG. Okay. Now, while that's baking for just a couple of seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face, and I'm gonna use the one size powders, turn up the base powders to set everything. One of the best powders I've used in forever. I'm just gonna dust off my powder. I'm just gonna take this bronzer here from Patrickta. This is the She's Sculpted. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. Sometimes my skin just does not want to take the beat, you know what I mean? Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Just doesn't want to take the beat, and that's fine. But I do not contour or like bronze as I used to before. I used to contour and bronze like there was no tomorrow, but what I do now is I blush. I put blush on like extremely, like a lot. Because it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, I did my brows and I also applied some mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorites pair of lashes. These are from Ardell. I've been really into just like the more simple lash. I don't know, I feel like the dramatic lash was a different era for me, but this one here, not too natural, but also not too dramatic, which I love. Very simple lash. Okay, and now I'm just gonna apply some bottom mascara. This is the Birdie Lashes Wing Mascara. So now for blush, like I said, we were gonna fix this here. Go ahead and take this Dior. There's so many like dupes now. Actually, I'm just gonna take the Fantasy blush palette, and I'm taking this shade here in the middle. It's called Pink Blossom, and I'm just gonna apply this on the highest point of my face. I'm actually gonna squeeze the end of my brush and kind of stamp it here. And looking up, I like to mix this side to here. It just creates a really pretty gradient effect. And honestly, that's pretty much it with my look. I don't highlight my inner corner with any shimmer. I do a simple, just white. I'm gonna go back again with the Fenty Beauty liner, and I like to. That's it, you guys. I'm gonna do my lips now. I'm gonna do some Dose of Colors lippies. I'm taking the Dose of Colors in Ourfra lip liner. It's a really nice warm lip liner, and I'm taking this Anastasia lipstick. This is in the shade Warm Taupe. It looks good, right? I think so. I've been like really wanting to try this body glow body oil from Nude Body. It's the Sunshine Oil Body Elixir, and let's see how it looks. Okay. I'm all about the body glow now, or body oil. I'm gonna put them on. Oh, I like how it's not liquidy. Oh, I love that. Love that. And then to the body oil from Nude Body. You guys, this smells so good. It smells like tea tree oil and eucalyptus. I'm not sure what's in this, but look at that. Oh my god, it looks so nice and pretty. I'm like shimmery. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I love this. This is the Sunshine Oil Body Elixir. It has coconut, oregano, avocado, bergamot, and lavender. I'm here saying tea tree. No, it has lavender. That's why I like it. I love when anything has lavender. Candles, body lotion, body spray. It's my favorite scent of all time. And I did strain it, so it looks like somewhat decent. But yeah, you guys, I think that is it for this video. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and just listening to me rant. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my makeup look. Get ready to check Get Ready with me. This is literally what I do, like I said, in wherever I go. Just a quick beat. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.